이전 불법 침입 경고로 신원이 확인된 한 여성이 허위 이름을 제시하고 자신이 새 쌍둥이 중 한 명이라고 주장하며 신원 확인을 회피하려 했다. 경찰이 그녀를 체포하려 하자 그녀는 수사에 협조하지 않고 물리적으로 저항하면서 상황이 악화되었다.
They're saying that you're trespassing from here.
I'm not. What are
Go
you?
back to the front of my car. You are going to go back to the front of my car and put you in handcuffs and you're going to go to the back of my car.
Okay, for what?
Because they're
Is my
saying that you are already trespassing
Okay.
here. Now I'm investigating
Hey,
if you are. Stop talking.
No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not.
And then I'm going to figure that out. Now
Here's
go to my car.
Here's my question.
You are
What
gonna walk
crime
and
are you holding me on?
trespassing. Now you're going to walk to my car and
I
put
have
you in
not. No,
handcuffs.
I'm not.
Let me help you out.
No, I'm not.
You are going
Listen.
to walk to my car or I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
No, I'm not. Okay, listen.
I'm going to ask you one more time to walk to my car and I'll put you in handcuffs.
What is the crime?
One more time and I'll put you in handcuffs.
If you put me in, no. If you put me in handcuffs, my tit is out. Ow. Get the, ow. Get the off of me, you weirdos. What the, you guys are dumb. Like, my whole tit is out. Yeah, my shoe, no. My shoe and my foot, no. My whole is out. What the my ow. Are you okay? Are you okay? No, no.
Do not move.
Or
Stop
what?
moving.
Or what? Y'all are done. You guys are done. That's insane. I want my shoe and I want my phone. And my
Got
phone.
your shoe. Thank you.
And my phone.
I got your phone too.
Put my shoe on my foot and put my phone in my hand. Put my shoe on my foot and put my phone in my hand.
I got it.
No, put my shoe on my foot. No. I'm like, wow, y'all really be doing this, don't you? I'm like, it's on just Twitter. Put my shoe, no. Put my
Get in the car.
Put
Get in the
my,
car now.
Oh my god.
So they were saying that she's been trespassing here. I'm pretty sure. She said she has triplets. I went to go look them all up and she started walking away.
A couple of weeks ago, I think we had an issue with her trying to go back inside. So I definitely remember her.
Hey, I'm sorry. My friend Avery's in the car.
I think she's going to jail.
You said her name is Avery?
Yeah,
She told me her name is Elizabeth.
Avery's.
No, she said her name is Elizabeth, is what she told me.
Well, I don't know who's in the car. Who is she? You put it on the window or no? Is there ID in there?
The ID she said she didn't have.
Emily.
Emily.
Oh, this one's Emily.
That's her real ID. Emily.
Do me a favor, just step back to the front of my car for now.
Can you
Well,
step out of the road?
I got called out here.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Just go to the front of my car, out of the road.
In a second.
I need my shoe
So,
and my phone.
so you're Emily?
Avery? Avery.
Your name's Avery.
A-V-E-R-Y. Avery.
You gave me your name. When I asked you for your name,
You
you said
didn't
it was
ask me
Elizabeth.
for a name. That's bull.
I asked you for your
That's
name.
bull. And I hope your camera's on.
It's on,
That's
don't worry.
That is bull. I said Avery.
There's your birth certificate.
Jesus Christ. All right. Even all the spellings she gave me, she said Emily was E-M-I-L-E-E.
So she still lied to you.
She still lied to me. She told me her name was Elizabeth. She said her sister's name was Emily and her other sister's name was Sarah Beth. But she still gave me the spellings of all being wrong too. Actually I am. You're under arrest.
No, you were not. That's not how
Yes,
that
you are. Trust me.
That's not how that works. You cannot take my shoe off of my foot. That is not how that works. At all.
Trespass warnings. As of 2 weeks ago.
Yep.
So you're under arrest for trespassing and resisting arrest.
Did I do the trespass?
B07 Skipper.
Okay.
You're probably working with him.
Probably with him, yeah. I definitely remember her.
What's up?
Some lady.
Can I get a picture with y'all?
We are in the middle of something right now. You got to wait. Sorry, bud. Normally I would have no problem with that.
Trespass.
Can I just pose right here and y'all just be in it?
No, you can do it from the front.
That's not how it works.
Hey, before I leave, let me get your information. I'm sure we have it already, but
Yes.
what was your name?
Amber. She really a triplet?
I don't know, but she gave me the wrong name to begin with. I found her ID in her purse that she said she didn't have, and she was trespass warned as of 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So
she pushed me.
what,
That's how
2
she
weeks
got
ago?
trespassed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you happen to see her inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
We took her out to the car. They saw her going through the door. They got me, and we all went looking for her.
Okay.
And got her out.
Perfect. Well, she's going to jail for resisting and trespassing. So y'all have a good night. Nope. Appreciate you. I didn't think it was going to turn into that.
I've never even had like a ticket, like nothing.
Okay. Then I'll have to look at. I'll have to see what the charge is, but I believe you're looking at $1,500.
Why? I don't understand. Can this be like undone?
No, we're way beyond that. All you had to do is stay and talk to me. Let me verify your information, and we could have figured something out from there.
Can we figure something
But for you to leave and then not go back like I told you to, and then fight me?
No, I didn't leave Seville. I walked like 2 steps away so I could hear Hannah on the phone to get my ID.
And I told you to walk back to my car.
I was just
And you
waiting for the
refused.
teacher to bring me my ID.
Your ID was in your bag.
I didn't know. Like, she has my other purse on her person, and whenever the girl came and said I was trespassing, she needed my ID. It wasn't in there.
Like I said, when I told you numerous times to go back to my car, you didn't. And then when I went to put you in handcuffs, after I warned you several times,
I know.
you resisted and pulled away and fought.
Okay, can we figure something out, please?
There's nothing to figure out.
There's nothing you can do for me.
No.
You swear.
I promise you.
Really?
Yes.
Like, at all.
There's nothing. You are going to jail
Why?
for trespassing after warning and resisting arrest.
Okay, can we figure something out?
There's nothing to figure out.
What do you mean?
I'm telling you that there's nothing to figure out.
Okay, can I do something? Like, is there anything I can do?
No.
Like, I'm literally, like, I'm a teacher. Like, I can't. Please?
There's nothing to figure out.
But can we come up with something, please?
There is nothing.
I know, but, like, I'm a teacher. Like, I can't.
Then you needed to think about that before you started doing what you were doing.
Like, can we please figure something out?
Again, Emily, I'm telling you, there is nothing to figure out.
Please. Please. I know that you can help me. Please. Please. Like, I'm begging you, I'll do anything. Please. Can you please help me? Like, I'm so serious. Like, I've never been in trouble before in my life. Like, I've never even been in trouble for, like, a wreck or speeding or anything. Like, can you please help me figure something out? Please. Please. Like, I don't get in trouble like this at all. Can you help me figure something out? Please. I'm sorry. I will never go back to Seville ever again. Can you please? Sir.
Man, you look at me, please. You said your head hurts?
No, that's my arms.
Okay, and both your arms are sore? Okay. Alright, man. Just hold on, alright? I mean, did you call EMS or you just want to get her to the...
EMS is wanting her. She wants to be seen by EMS, so I'm going to have the EMS come up here. I'm going to take pictures of her when we get to the jail. So she was trespass warned from Seville 2 weeks ago. They saw her inside, brought her outside. She gave me a false name. I went to investigate it. As I investigated, she walked away. I went there, told her to stop, and she kept saying she's not walking back to my car because she's not, doing any crime, this, that, and the other. So when I grabbed her, she started fighting. We put her into the wall and then onto the ground. So she's complaining that her arms and head hurt. Fabulous.
So if you don't mind, I'm gonna have to either like maybe take her handcuffs so she can sign, or you can sign for her.
I'll sign for her.
Okay, yeah, that works. She answered everything in her.
Now she's buzzing, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'll sign whatever you guys
Funny
need.
how that works out.
I'll sign whatever y'all need me to sign.
Yeah, I feel bad for her.
Well, yeah, but I don't remember what level the false ID is.
Yes, ma'am. Oh dear. Alrighty, well, y'all have a good one.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, she didn't. I didn't get anything other than like respirations and stuff like that. She didn't want vitals.
Okay.
She did, yeah. And I asked her, but that was kind of after I told her. I was like, the officer, like, even if you go, he will.
Oh, I'm
follow
going.
you. No, but like I was nice about it, but like.
Yeah, but I mean, sometimes you gotta be straight.
Yeah, for sure, always. And like, I totally understand where she's coming from. I mean, obviously, I'd want to get out of it too if I could. But
Yeah.
I was like, it ain't happening tonight.
No. What was I don't think I've ever seen you. What's your name?
Logan,
Logan? John.
pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen you. Usually you're with.
I've been here for a minute.
Usually your partner's different.
Yeah, no, Joe is my partner.
Yeah.
But, I'm on a shift swap with his partner.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, she's
Okay.
coming on.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I appreciate you guys coming out.
Yeah,
Y'all have a good
Thank
one.
you. Yeah.
Okay, I need my shoe before I get out of this.
I'm gonna get it for you.
Okay. Also, I feel really bad that I slipped my hand out of this hand.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you back in those two.
Okay, that's fine. But to be fair, I'm not trying to like run away. There was snot running down my face.
I don't think you were. Hold on. Put this on first.
Really? Oh. Thank you. Did you get that out of the trunk?
All right.
Not too tight. Can you loosen that one like a bit?
No, they're about to come right back off. Hold on. Hang out here for a second. All right. Hop out.
What?
Hop out.
I didn't know what you said.
And walk around the front of my car.
Okay, wait. First, my purse with my ID.
I already got it. Go.
Okay. Are you sure you have it?
In my hand.
Okay.
This way. This way. This way. Through that door.
This is insane. Like on my part, not yours.
Take a seat right here.
Man, I'm scared.
Sit.
Wait, I'm scared.
Sit.
Hey, I am, but I'm scared. Wait, I'm scared. Is there gonna be like some people in there? Is there?